Yeah, no, I know. I just won't tell you anything. I just saw a shoe float by. Oh my god. We're gonna try and put it on Facebook as soon as we can.
She fell asleep?
Yeah.
But we don't have internet, so
Oh my god.